Hey everybody, it's Dr. Wolf here, and I'm in Belgrave, and this is the Belgrave Convention Center behind me right here, okay? And I'll show you what it looks like. It's really a beautiful place. We're in Australia, and there goes Andrea. Andrea, want to say hello?
Hi.
Get over here.
Hi.
Okay, this is Andrea, and she drove us here from Melbourne, right?
Yep.
Okay.
We're all set up.
And we're all set up, and we're going to be doing a lecture, right?
Yep.
At what time? 6:30?
6:30. Yep. For 7 o'clock
Yeah,
start.
6:30, and that would be like 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the morning where I am. So, anyways, we're glad to be here. We love it. Here's Michelle, who's the host. Michelle, would you like to say hello?
Hi guys.
And Michelle has a health business. Where's that out of?
With Belgrave South.
Belgrave South. Okay, and she does lymphology, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, and she's coming to the course, correct?
Correct, yes, to learn.
To learn up in Coffs Harbour, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, all right. So,
Awesome. See you there, guys.
anyways, yeah, come on in. I'll show you around, okay? And take a look at this beautiful place. You know, we get many different places that we do lectures, but look at this place. Look at it. Isn't this cool? Okay. All right. And so tonight we'll be coming on at 6:30, and we'd love to have you if you're in the neighborhood. And what I'll be doing tonight is I'll be answering everybody's questions. The first part, I'm just going to talk about what we really are, okay? What we're really meant to do, and what we could really become, and how to do that, okay? In my belief systems, everybody's got different beliefs, but also tonight, we'll be utilizing the Cellsonic, okay? Andrea has a Cellsonic, and she lives just outside of Melbourne, and that's a Cellsonic right there. This is a 25,000 volt device. Let me see if I'm doing it right. Yep. And this device here, it has the highest vibrational frequencies on this planet. And I'm going to be utilizing the massage bed on the floor here, and we're going to be working on people tonight that have an array of problems. Okay, so here's the deal, okay? Just so you know, I'm just going to get set up here. 1 second. There. Boom. Okay, I just have to readjust things. All right, let me just do this and bring this back a little bit. Thank you for your patience. So tonight what I'm going to be doing is, like I said, I'm going to talk about what we truly are, okay, and how the invisible creates the physical. And let me tell you something, okay, just to tell you a little bit about what I believe, okay, and you may not believe this, but actually, life started on this planet 150,000 years ago. And believe it or not, you ever hear those guys called the Rockefellers and Rothschilds? Well, and all the royals around the planet? Well, here's one for you. They're all from the same family, and they go back way back, okay? And they were handed the keys, okay, to actually imprison all of us. You think I'm kidding? Well, if I'm lying, then why is it that you can't get the chlorine and the fluoride out of your water? Why can't you stop the chemtrails? Why can't you stop all the poisoning of all the foods? Why can't you stop the poisoning of your children? Why is it that they send us to school, okay? They send us to school at the age of 5, and then we go there long enough and strong enough that we're all bloody robots and we work for them. How is that? How is it that they call this the harvest period right now and nobody's standing up for themselves? Very few people are. How is it that the majority of the population is being sold off by the pound? How is it that everybody believes that chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery are the main things that they get treated with today? Why is that? And I'm going to tell you something, because guess what? We used to have 12 strands of DNA. We only have 2. You know, a Jaguar has, 12 valves? And what if it were to run on only 2 valves? Well, it wouldn't go very far. And guess what? That's what's happening to us. We're not going very far. We're not high vibrational. And we're just lining up to have them chop us. Okay? You think I'm kidding? I'm not kidding. Okay? I'm not telling you that I can change the world. I'm not telling you that I can change anyone, but at least, you know what? I'm not gonna be part of the silent majority. I'm gonna speak up, and actually, I'm gonna tell you something. Everything that you believe is a lie. How's that? How's that feel? That everything you've been taught is a lie, because guess what? If you knew the truth, okay, then you would be living every present moment, okay? And a present moment is 1/10,000th of a second. And I walk around with a smile on my face. I'm not trying to cause trouble. I'm not trying to go to war with anyone, okay? Because it's all about one law, one love, and that's unconditional love for yourself and everyone else. And that's the only thing I'm trying to teach, okay? I'm not trying to teach a religion. I'm not trying to get anybody to follow me, because guess what? The world doesn't need any more followers. The world only needs leaders. And so that's what we're looking for. We're looking for leaders. Are you a leader? Are you truly a leader? That means that you don't bow down to any authority out there, that you don't believe in any of these rules. You don't believe in bylaws. You don't believe in laws. You don't believe in the government because they don't believe in you. Okay. You don't believe in the medical system unless you had an emergency or some kind of accident. And if you use the medical system for your daily care, well, that's why you're a mess. Okay. And guess what? Did you know that your brain creates every drug that you need? That's right. Every drug to heal you, every drug to let you know that you are loved, okay? Your brain does it all. And guess what? The big pharma just mocks us, and they create chemicals, and we don't need them because our brain creates every hormone and every chemical to heal us. Anyways, we'll be back on here at 6:30. It's, what time is it now? 5 o'clock, right? 5 o'clock. See, I don't even know where I am. I know I'm in Australia somewhere, okay? All right? Anyway, so if you want to join us later, please feel free to do that. And I want you to picture this. I want you to picture this, okay? I want you to picture unconditional love for yourself. I want you to share that with the world. Where do you think the world would be if we all believed in unconditional love? What if there were no religions? What if there were no different languages except unconditional love for ourselves and everyone else? What if we didn't judge anymore? What if we just observed? What if we didn't judge anymore? What if we just observed? And guess what? What if we didn't judge and all we did was learn? We wouldn't burn. Okay? How about it, eh? How about some of the beliefs that people believe that if you do this, you're going to burn in hell forever? How about this? When you believe in the rules that they have down here and you judge yourself and you put yourself and imprison yourself in this invisible jail for the rest of your life. Okay? All right? Okay. Suffering is not the way. Okay? Unconditional love is. You think about that. And we'll see you maybe later. Okay? Have a beautiful night.